is good, YouTube? It's able. Today I'm back with another video. Your favorite YouTuber back again with another video. Today video I'm gonna fix air blow AC. So it's up for cars. So if my car doesn't work, the AC, that is like it's sending the blower just hot, just changing to any like AC is not good and cold. The temperature doesn't change nothing, so I want to fix that AC. So I'm gonna be show it to you guys so we can see. Let's get it to start. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. I turn on my motor and but I already said so it doesn't change nothing, so we can fix that. And also I'm gonna fix you to you guys. You can save him money. You couldn't take it off to replace to mechanic people, just like you can fix by yourself. I just buy like the blowers right now. I just buy from AutoZone, so I got some stuff too from there. I'm gonna fix. So that's my first time I just take AC class, but you know what, my car is tripping, bro. I take AC class, but it's still doesn't work my car. So like we never like, I just go like 3-day class, but I watch some YouTube, it was help me good. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna ask her. So if I fix, it's better. If not fixed, I'm gonna talk to my school or some place so they can fix for me. I'm gonna try my best. Okay, here you guys, my AC doesn't work. Like you see, I just turn on the car and I don't feel nothing. It's just like it's blowing, but I don't feel nothing. You can tell it just blowing. It's like it's hot. It's literally it's hot. So like I'm gonna change. I think probably the blower is right there. The next to the drive side is here. So like first I'm gonna see how I'm gonna change. I'm gonna check out it. So the hood is open. I'm gonna open the hood, and after that I'm gonna check out here. This one is called low side. That's the high side. This for cooling. That's for hot side. The high side. This is the low side. So the blower is inside there. You couldn't see. So right here, you couldn't see. Just like first, I have to touch this. So the AC is warm or not. If this is cold, this is cold. So like I feel it, but it's cold. But my fan is working. It's perfect. So maybe the humidor that I think is better not to be from this. Because this is cold, cold. You see, you can tell the water. This time is wet. You see, that's cold. So it's not cool there. It's done from the blower. The blower doesn't pass perfectly. I think it's like old. Like I never changed. I just drive this car like 3 years, but I never changed that. So maybe could be from that. So I'm gonna check out it that quickly. Inside there, so I'm gonna go. That's the water. You can see, so like, I don't wanna show you because I just turned on the engine, so like, it's gonna, this is spinning. Did you see? Yeah, my hand. So right there's I'm gonna take out this take out by here. So I'm gonna fix there. Okay, with those I got, so you can see this the tire pressure, like those stuff, that's light. So now it's almost night, so I've been doing in the parking lot, so it's gonna taking long time. That's the light. If maybe for emergency it's night, I can be bright to see. But I buy just from AutoZone right now. That's the blower that I got. It's right there. It's right there. That's the blower. So that's the blower, I guess. I'm gonna show the tool. It's gonna fit or not, I don't know. I take 1/4 inch and extension. That's the 8 millimeters. That's the 1/4. See, so I'm gonna take those and I'm gonna put it. So I'm gonna fix. So which located is gonna be this thing, the blower. The blower is gonna be bottom from here. I'm gonna take out here all of them, and also I'm gonna sleep by here. You can see already. So I'm gonna turn it off the car. So I'm gonna start doing. Okay, I turn it off. Oh, I'm gonna wear my clothes. So I don't wanna be dirty. I got a long shirt for mechanical stuff. It's right there. See, it's a long. I'm gonna wear that. It's gotta be hot. This like is so hot right now too. But I wanna fix it though. So I don't wanna get in there. It's so hard, but you know what? Everything you have to fix by yourself. This woman, you have to do it by yourself. Everything you have to do. Nobody said I don't know how to do it. Nobody know. They've been fixed it. They've been there. So that's what they've been doing. If you don't do nothing, you can know nothing. You see, it's so hard, bro. You can tell my face, even it's swelling. You can see me, bro. How much hot is this today? Like, I think it's 100 or so. So the thing is right there. So I'm gonna take out those stuff so we can do quickly. See, it's right there. The part is there. Bro, it doesn't fit it. It's not the right one. The work, so I'm gonna take to mechanical place to my school. See, right there, I was just taking out some stuffs, but I don't have the tools, so I'm gonna go to buy it from AutoZone. You see, from here I got for that, but inside from here needs to be the millimeter 6 or something. I got the 8, but I don't have it for the millimeter for that, so I'm gonna buy it for that and fix it. Already I check it out, and here I put it, so I have to take it out this too. So if I done, I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna go to store, so it's gonna be nice. So I'm just rushing. I'll see you later. So you can tell my window is all of them open, bro. It's literally, you can see 4 of the window I open it, but it's still, you can see my face, bro. It's so like blowing and it's so hot. So I'm gonna change. I'm gonna feel good better. You see, I can't stay, bro. I'm dead almost. I wanna take different cars, but so you guys make sure you can see how hot it is. So that's why I drive only that car, but I got some of car, but you can tell. So that's why. So hot. Almost I take shower, bro. It's not funny to laugh, but yeah. Anyway, when I done everything, I'm gonna show how did I fix. So if happen in your car, you can save money. You can do it by yourself, right? That's what we need. That's what we need all. So I see you there. So now I'm up and driving cars. So and driving and recording is not safety. I just literally came. I couldn't find it, bro. I just like, I think I'm lucky. Only they got only this one. I was looking 6, but they don't have it. That's a little bit work, so I can do it with those. That's 7 millimeters. So you see, I got with those. So I'm gonna fix now. I'm gonna drive to my home in the parking lot. I'm gonna do it. Okay. Yep. Stay tuned. I just literally came. It's almost dark, so I use my light. It's right there. See, with those, so I'm gonna start to do it. I'm gonna fix. It's to see, it's hard, but I'm gonna start to do it. If you guys you're gonna see or not, I don't know. So I wanna make it done quickly. Open, that's okay. And I'm gonna take it out. Very good. And this side too. I have to take it out later with my hand too. Need help hand. Get in, bro. I have to do a little push. Almost I got it. I take it out right there, the one. This is the second one. Yep, I take it out them, both of them. So they have one. Bro, who's gonna take it out? Those. Very good. One guy's holding. It's okay. It's right there. I just to take it out. So yesterday it's night, so I couldn't see it. I left. I didn't work. So I'm gonna done by now. There we go. Let's take it out. Another one. It's right there. Very good. Very good. It's calm. It's calm. Yes, sir. It's right there. It's calm now. I have to take out this part. You see? Here, the light. So let me hold my lights here. This is carefully. You see this wire? You're gonna be messing. So you have to carefully. Like something. I have to take it out. Yes, do I need to do this? That's big, so I have to change 8. That's the 8 one. Let's see. Yep. Let's hook. I got it here. 1, 2. Very good. I take it out. You see? I take it out nearly from here. From here. I just take it out here. You can see. You see? I just take it out here. You can tell how old it is. How old it is. It's right there, bro. It's so dirty. Now I'm gonna change the new one. We can see. That's the old one. Right there. That's the old one. That's the new one. So see how it's different. See? You can tell. You can tell. Now I'm gonna put it this, the new one. I'm gonna put it back. It's right there, inside there. So see? I put it right there. This is the new one. See, I put it back. It's here. Now this little thing I'm gonna clip by here. Anyway, I'm gonna be done. So by the way, okay. This little clip is here. Clip. Now once I'm done, I'm gonna start my car and I'm gonna see if it's gonna work or not. So, but I didn't put it back all of them, so maybe it doesn't work. So I don't want to take it out again. I'm gonna see. So I'm gonna turn it on. Nothing's happening now. Nothing's happening. Bro, I was just there on the car and I said doesn't come. I'm so stupid, bro. I didn't plug in this thing in, bro. You saw that? This I didn't plug in, bro. I'm just turning off. I think it's too much hot, so that's what I don't. Let's do this. See, tick. I connect the. So I'm gonna start now the car. I'm gonna start it. See? Yes, it does come, bro. I feel it. I feel it now. That's cold. You see? Let me change hot. It's gonna work hot. Yes, sir. Finally, we did it. Yes. Yes, sir. Who's that doesn't fix now? Everybody, if you guys any problem like the AC stuff, I can be help you guys. Just like hit me. Just hit me message or call phone. I can help you. So you can be done. As well we're done right now, so you guys see. See? Ah, shit. It's right there. That's cool. As well I said it. That's fine. So yep, it's everything's perfectly. I turned it off. Now we're gonna replace this thing. So if you guys want, you can stay to see what I did. This gold is supposed to go here, so and with this socket I'm gonna take this wrench and with this, what number is there? That's 8, that's big. That's smallest one is 7 millimeters. So you guys see that? You guys see that? reverse this, so I can do that easily. If I type this, it's gonna hold for me. So, but you don't need to hold. Oh, somebody's. See, I tied it off this. I'm trying to tie this tight. And the other ones here. I tied them up. Tied them up. Now I got the longest one. I'm gonna tie it up. This little shed room is scary. It's playing me, bro. It's too hard to see. There you go. I tied them on. Just make sure check on it. Check all of them. So don't miss any stuff. So okay, this seems good. It's good. It seems good. So now I'm gonna put it like this. You see, it's very short. I'm gonna put this back. I'm gonna put in this back. It's right there. Right there. I'm gonna put it back there. The hauling part is so dirty. That's so dirty. So I'm gonna air fresh. So now I'm gonna put it. Did you see this clip, right? You see right this clip? I'm gonna put it in right there. So but it's to see his heart. I'm gonna clip right there. Damn, bro, my arm is here. I clip right there. Everything is done. See, I have fixed up this part too. Everything's perfectly now. Just to run. And sometimes it's gonna give you sensor to turn it off. So sometimes it's gonna give you right there the sensor to reset, but it doesn't give me, so I'm okay. It's working. See, it's perfectly run. preferably with the lights on off. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes guys, this is my first time I've been down, so I just take care of the old one. This I got the old one. See, this is the old one. I'll take it out from there. So that grass they didn't allow it, so that's how it works. You can pick it up. This old, but it's hot, so I don't want to do it. Anyway, I'm done. Great to go. So yeah, I'm done. This is all. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll see you guys on my next video.